Hey, I'm super excited to bring you again a monthly update on Clickly. Clickly, it's a tool for visual development of mobile native applications, both iOS and Android. So during the last months, I started working on data binding. Data binding is an ability to bring any dynamic value that changes over time and it's not statically configured during the design time. So you can change any color, any size, any text dynamically. That's basically what makes an application alive. And for now, it's just a couple of things for data binding. For instance, here you see the title, the header. When I unbound it, it's just a static value. But if I bind it to some value you see in the web, it's a web. And on iOS, simulator, it shows iOS. Also, similar thing is for dynamic changes. Like when I click here, the state of the switches is connected to the state of these pressable components. Is it pressed or not? And the switch changes accordingly. So, and many things will be coming with the data binding because a lot of things should be done for that. But I believe it's a good start. Next thing is vector icons. As you see in the screen, uh, it's a new UI component, or I even can say it's a bunch of UI components combined all together for user experience simplicity, and it provides an ability to select any icon from the 20 plus different sets of icons, 17,000 icons altogether, which also makes an app looks better than just without an icons or with using emojis or whatever. So I believe it's also a nice thing that will make applications better. And the third thing I just want to show is a code preview. So if before we were able to download the code, just generate the code in runtime and download it as a zip archive. Right now, it's possible to preview it, and every change that is happening on the screen is immediately reflected here. For instance, I changed this text, and you see it changes on top of the screen. In the code previewer. So it's text. Um, and also any other changes will be reflected immediately. So any file can be downloaded separately, and compilation, as I just showed, compilation is done in real time, which is also a pretty great thing. Other things are mainly related to the user experience, navigation between things. For instance, with custom components, user can see where these components is being used in which screens and in which places, and go there immediately just to watch and change something, etc. Some keyboard shortcuts, some performance improvements also done over the last months. So that's that's basically what I wanted to show. There are much more things that I'm just leaving outside of the scope of this video, just because I want to keep this video as short as possible. But if you're interested in anything, if you have any suggestions, if you know somebody who might be interested in that, please reach out to me. I would highly appreciate that. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you for being with me over this journey. And have a great weekend, and see you later. Bye.